Here is the 1990 Bryant 5-ton air conditioner running. And again, this is a straight cool unit, not a heat pump. And it is actually very quiet, considering how old it is. It is Friday, March 23rd, 2012, and it is very warm today. The weather report, weather.com, said it was going to be like 73, 74 today, but based on high temperatures in nearby towns in Bucks County, I'd say it's probably closer to 80 degrees right now. It's a tiny bit humid. Very, very warm. I can tell this is running under a very high heat load because of the air being discharged out the top is very, very warm. And this thing has a really, really long line set. I'll show you just how far this line set goes. The disconnect is right there, and the line set goes all the way around. I believe it goes all the way, there it goes. This is a very old commercial building. Actually, I believe it used to be a house. Now it's a commercial building. It has a parking lot back here. Obviously, it wasn't designed to have central air back in the day, so they had to get creative with where certain components of the central air were located. So that's why the AC is all the way over here, and the air handler is all the way over here. So I have just been informed that this unit had some major work done to it the other day. It wasn't working and they had to come out and repair it. But it is working fine now. And this battery is about to die, but luckily I have 2 more fully charged ones. And again, I believe this is the only central air conditioner at this building. But yeah, like I was saying, old building, not originally designed to have central air. That's why everything is all over the place. And I believe this has gas hot water heat. There's the gas meter there. Air handlers somewhere in the basement. This could be a gas furnace, I don't know. So the camera was almost dead and I turned it off again so I could talk to somebody. And it's the weirdest thing. Like, I think this camera has something where if I turn it off after the battery's gone below a certain point, it won't let me turn it back on that battery. That's like the 3rd time it's done it since I bought the camera. Yeah, like I said, they were servicing it a couple days ago. It would appear that they re-insulated the suction line. quiet. So this is a 5-ton Bryant straight cool air conditioner from 1990. So it is 22 years old. Still running like a champ. Alright, so again, 1990 Bryant 5-ton straight cool central air conditioner. Running on a roughly 74 degree, maybe warmer March day. Alright, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.